Good morning, my all dear students of class 11th B. Today, in this video of business studies, we will discuss the sources of finance, and in this chapter, we will know the total owners fund and total borrowed fund. Okay, so in owners fund, there is equity shares, preference shares, retained earning, global depository receipts, American Depository Receipt, Indian Depository Receipt, IDR, GDR, and ADR. Okay. In borrowed, there is debentures and bonds, loan from banks, loan from commercial banks, public deposits, trade credit, intercorporate deposits. Okay. So first of all, what is the equity capital? Equity shares. Shares are the part of share are the small part of company's capital. First of all, shares are the small part of company's capital. What is equity share? Equity shares equity shares are those shares which is the most important source of obtaining long term capital by a company. Equity shares are those shares which do not carry any special or preferential right in the payment of annual dividend or repayment of capital. The capital raised by equity share is known as equity share capital. Equity shareholders are the real owner of the company. Therefore, the fund raised by the issue of equity shares are known as ownership capital. Equity share capital is also known as ownership capital or owner's fund. The rate of dividend is not fixed in the equity share. They receive that is left after all the claims of the company. The amount which will be left after giving the money to everyone will be distributed in the equity shareholder. Therefore, the equity shareholders are called residual owners. Are called residual owners. They have right to vote and right to participate in the management of the company. Very important. If company wants to take any decision, at that time company has to take the permission from the equity shareholder. If company is not taking the permission from the equity shareholder, company cannot do anything. Company cannot take any decision without their consent. Okay, so they are the real owners of the company. Then preference shares. Preference shares are usually a little bit risk free from the equity share. Equity shares are risky shares, but preference shares are not that risky because in it the rate of dividend is fixed. The rate of dividend is fixed in preference shares, and the next thing that preference shares have the preferential right. Preference shares have the preferential right means each and every time they will get the money, annual money or the returning of capital before the equity shares. Okay. Now, difference between equity shares and preference shares, very important. Very important. Face value. Face value of equity shares is generally low and preference shares is higher. Rate of dividend fluctuates with profit, and in preference share rate of dividend is fixed. Okay. Voting rights. Equity shareholders have the voting rights. Preference shareholders don't have the voting rights. Risk. Equity shareholders are assume high degree of risk. In preference share there is relative less risk. Suitability for investors who are willing to undertake risk for higher return. Preference shares are suitable for those investors who desire to have a steady income with comparatively low risk. Convertibility. Equity shares cannot be convertible, but preference share can be convertible into equity shares. Redeemability. Equity shares are not redeemable means paid back. Equity shares are not being paid back during the life of the company. If company is being liquidated, at that time the amount will be returned to the equity share, and that amount will be returned which will remain. Preference share can be redeemed after a specified period or at the option of the company if company wants. Control. Democratically control over the management. They don't have any type of control on the management. Sequence of capital. On winding up of company, capital is refunded after preference shares. And preference shares had the preferential right. They will get the money before the equity shares. Okay. Errors of dividend. In equity shares, errors means if if company is unable to pay the amount in any year, that dividend will not be accumulated. But in a preference share, the dividend may be accumulated. Okay, retained earning means the profit, the portion of profit which is not being distributed among the partners or shareholders. So the remaining profit which company saves for the future is retained earning. It will also be used as owner's fund, and it will be used in the capital. Plugging back of profit, it is called. Then GDR, global depository receipt, the local currency of the company are delivered to the depository bank, which in return issue the depository receipt against these shares, known as global depository receipt, as GDR, and it is dominated by US dollar. They are also called dollar dominated instruments. Means in the concept of India, the GDR of the instrument issued abroad by a Indian company to raise funds in some foreign currency and is listed and traded on a foreign stock exchange. It is negotiable instrument and can be traded freely, like it is just like the shares. And if we want some foreign exchange, company will deposit its amount in the GDR, and it will also be used as owner's capital. So this is the owner's fund, and in the next and the last video we will discuss the borrowed fund, and this chapter will be completed. Till then, I request you all to study this chapter, and if you find any doubts and any difficulties, you can ask, and I will be always there. Our school will always be there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye, students.